The U.S. Army's 101st Airborne Division, Air Assault, has reached a major milestone in its technological evolution, launching the production of small unmanned aircraft systems, or sUAS, using 3D printing. This groundbreaking effort is led by the EagleWerx Applied Tactical Innovation Center at Fort Campbell, Kentucky, and is set to transform drone manufacturing in the military. These new 3D printed drones will play a crucial role in the division's upcoming large-scale exercise, Operation Lethal Eagle, set to take place in the spring of 2025. On October 10, 2024, the first 3D printed sUAS successfully completed its inaugural flight, marking the beginning of a new era in drone technology. These drones, designed to be more versatile, durable, and cost-effective, are specifically developed to meet the needs of air assault operations. With the ability to be rapidly produced and easily replaced, they offer a significant advantage over traditional systems, making them a perfect fit for the challenges soldiers face in the field. The initiative comes as part of the U.S. Army's broader goal to modernize and become more agile, with the 101st Airborne Division at the forefront of this transformation. "This is bigger than just printing parts," said Colonel Travis McIntosh, Deputy Commanding Officer for Support. "We are reshaping the way we approach small UAS in the division, from airworthiness to fielding and training." The decision to create these 3D printed drones was made in collaboration with the 5th Special Forces Group, Airborne, whose feedback helped shape the design and operational requirements. Soldiers expressed the need for drones that could handle diverse missions, be easily replaceable, and come at a fraction of the cost of existing models. Captain Andrew Blomquist, Innovation Officer for the 2nd Mobile Brigade Combat Team, shared his enthusiasm about the project, saying, "We are able to print these systems at a fraction of the cost, without sacrificing operational functionality." These drones will be put to the test during Operation Lethal Eagle, a 21-day training exercise designed to push the limits of the division's capabilities. The event will see the integration of these new sUAS into tactical operations, providing valuable data on their performance and how they can be optimized for real-world use. This exercise will highlight the practical benefits of 3D printed drones, such as ease of replacement and lower costs for procurement, maintenance, and training. The Army's push to embrace 3D printing for drone manufacturing is part of a larger strategy to remain ahead in an increasingly tech-driven world. With the ability to rapidly produce drones that are adaptable to different missions, from surveillance to electronic warfare, the 101st Airborne Division is setting the stage for a future where speed and innovation are key to military success. As this program continues to develop, the 101st's venture into 3D printed drones could serve as a model for other units across the Army, potentially revolutionizing how drones are produced and deployed on the battlefield. The success of this project will provide a glimpse into the future of warfare, where technology and rapid innovation take center stage in shaping the battlefield.